In terms of the traditional meaning of industry, industrialization is a major objective of Vision 2030, because industrialization is a means by which we hope to retain as much value as possible in Kenya, as opposed to exporting raw materials and goods and exporting out value and jobs. So industrialization, in a traditional sense, is a major part of Vision 2030's economic pillar. But, you know, as Professor Stiglitz indicated today, industrial policy does not necessarily refer only to industrialization or manufacturing. It refers to any policies that actually create jobs. And so if you look at where the 7 sectors, tourism and agriculture, you know, validation in agriculture and ICT, where we're going to have IT-enabled services in manufacturing, in agriculture, in financial services. And so policy, the first 5 years of Vision 2030, we saw a lot of policy formulation. And I would say the whole composite or the comprehensive or sum total of these various policies will then result in what is Kenya's new industrial policy. So we have deindustrialization policy, we have new policies in agriculture, we have a special economic zones policy and law to encourage FDI, foreign direct investment. We also have major reform in the financial sector, financial institutions, the capital markets. As we speak, we formed a committee to review the entire financial market structure. All this, you know, the central bank has been very focused on ensuring that bonds in Kenya, raising money in Kenya is a much easier thing to do. We have now, for the first time, we have a 30-year bond, which means that banks and other financial lending institutions have access to longer-term money. That access to longer-term money means that Kenyans have access to longer-term money and can therefore undertake larger projects. That, combined with the capital markets reforms, also means there's access to more money to do more things. So I think the combination of all those yields what I would say is a much more, simultaneously, much more free market industrial policy, much more liberal industrial policy. But on the other hand, and I think this is interesting, given that the World Bank seems to be going through the similar thinking, we still have government as a major player in business. Government as a major player in determining where the country should go, where private sector should go.